Every day when you go into the hen house, you'll find the nest full of eggs, lovely, tasty and nutritious. But to look after the eggs properly, you need to collect them daily or more often than that if need be. You also need to make sure that when you've collected your eggs, you place them in a suitable tray, point down. Eggs breathe, and that will allow the membrane inside the egg to contract and allow the white or the albumin to become firm. An egg is not really in its prime until it's 5 days old, and if you stored them in a cool, dry place, not necessarily a fridge, but a cool, dry place is the most advantageous. I do know it says once purchased, store in the fridge, but that is a marketing thing, it is not an industry thing. If you have any questions regarding the handling and selling of eggs, the Scottish Government Egg and Poultry Marketing Department have a full range of information available. But at some points, just a quick topic on this would be to say, if you have your eggs and you sell them personally to your friends, then you don't need to do anything regarding marketing officers. But if you sell your eggs to a third party, such as a shop, a hotel, a cafe, even one egg, you need to make sure the eggs are stamped and the eggs are graded and checked for quality by putting them over lights and making sure that there's no inclusions inside and that the shell is firm and free of cracks. You aren't allowed to wash eggs because they are then classed as Class B. So Class A eggs have to be non-washed and in clean condition and quality checked. Class B eggs are cracks and rejects which can only be used for home consumption or for breaking. When a pullet starts laying, it lays small eggs, which are actually the best eggs you'll ever find. They're delicious. You'll get the occasional double yolker until the bird's body system gets into swing. They sometimes can drop 2 yolks at a time. And then as the birds get older, the eggs get bigger. It's important to note that the bigger the egg, there's still the same value in it. If you have any questions, contact the relevant authorities and they'll be able to give you suitably good guidance.